Sure enough. Hello, good afternoon. Hop on enlisted? No. No, the battle pass ain't out, so I'm waiting for the battle pass. How you doing though? Welcome back home. Yes? No. You don't need me to play enlisted. You're perfectly capable of playing enlisted by yourself. There we go. That should be it, I think. Yeah, that should be it. Let's go. No, I need to fix bugs. The bugs don't fix themselves. It feels like they make themselves, but they definitely don't fix themselves. Alright, let's see. Oh yeah, I wanted to remake the system that's... Where's my browser? Where's my goddamn browser? Just give me a new one. Open a new window, thank you. Or not. Alright, let's go over here. Localhost 4200. There we go. So, how you doing, Za? You had a nice sleep after you're coming back? Or did you just raw dog it the whole day? And went to sleep in the evening? Alright, let's see. My plan for today is to move the part that keeps track of whatever is selected over to a different area. Because it's buggy as hell as it is. So the soldier ID and the squad ID selections are all gonna be moved. Selected squad ID will be null. Because we start with no selected squad. Then we need to make things that can actually select the squad. So over here we're gonna make something that returns whatever squad's selected. Let's see, selector, public, static. Actually I can just copy this. Get selected. squad ID. Selected squad ID. There we go. And then we're gonna add something where you can select your squad. Whoop, that should be in here. So we're gonna once again just copy all of this over. That's about 8 lines, maybe 9. I think it's 8. Let's see. It's 8. Select a squad. So what you're gonna do is select a squad. There we go. Squad ID. And over here we're also gonna call it squad ID. And the same for these two. There we go. Oh, there's still something wrong? What's wrong? Tell me about it. System store site. Oh, you have a selected squad ID in there. Alright, then we're gonna just copy this one over. Paste it over here. Add an extra break. And instead of select soldier, it's gonna be select squad. You don't find module or path. Well, maybe you need to import it. What's going on over here? Enable to work signature. Yeah, alright. That's because we're still working on it. So instead of the selected soldier ID, we want to go selected squad ID, which will be action.squad ID. Alright, let's see if there's still errors over here. There are. Oh, that's just warnings. It's all warnings. We can ignore those. They're not errors, they're warnings. Alright, and now we go to the truly ruinous parts. I think. So select soldier ID. Yeah, there we go. Alright. This is used in a lot of places. And we're just gonna delete them. The selected squad X. The squad selected. And we're just gonna remove all of this. Yeah, okay. So we're just gonna remove all of these checks. Everything's gonna be ruined for now. Alright, get that out, get that out. Hang on. Alright, what we're... No, we're just gonna have this listen to the state. We're gonna make a private selected soldier ID. It will be this state. Select signal. Yeah, that's the thing we need. Select signal, and it's gonna be system state. System state dot get selected soldier ID. Wait, why doesn't it say that? Oh, store. It's got store. Excuse me. Store. There we go. Gonna copy that, paste it, select it. What? Oh, here we go. Selected squad ID, which will be equal to get selected squad ID. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna remove that if it's not being used. Okay, then over here. We're just gonna remove that. I think. Oh, we might. Alright, we'll worry about that later. Remove perk from. Let's see. Remove perk from selected soldier. Soldier ID, selected soldier ID. Right, if you're not null, we remove it, and we do the same here for adding a perk. Okay. Alright, so we removed the logic from this part. Actually, we don't need that. We don't use it, so we don't need it. Well, that was the easy part. Now comes the hard part, fixing all the stuff that this ruined. Alright, let's see. Create new soldier will be this overview facade, yeah. But we don't only need this, we also go public. Actually, yeah, I don't think we need. We actually don't need it over here. We can just call add soldier. Then we're gonna make that call the parameter optional. They're gonna be number or null equals null. Oh, sorry, that's only one pipeline, I think. Then we're gonna say if squad ID equals null, squad ID equals this selected squad ID. Yeah, right, you don't exist yet because we removed it. So we can just add that back. We copy this, paste it over here. You're gonna be selected squad ID, which will be get selected squad ID. There we go. You're gonna be signal number or null. Then over here we're gonna once again check if squad ID is not null. We can add it. Let's see, selected squad. Alright, hang on. This is not the way we should do this. Yeah. Let's go back to here. And then... So instead of only having the overview facade, what we want over here is also listen to the state system. Yo, Racho, how's it going? Good afternoon to you, sir. System state. We wanna go systems. Hang on, we're gonna go this system state. Oh, hang on. We don't have a part yet that returns. No, we have it. Get selected squad ID. There we go. Got a bit of flu already. Discovery side of things. Oh, that sucks, man. But oh wait, I'm doing stupid things. I'm happy to hear you're doing better at least. You're on the recovering side. Yeah, I'm doing pretty well. It's mainly the application, indeed. It's annoying. I discovered like the way I kept track of what squad and soldier was selected was just really tedious and too complicated to easily debug, so I decided to completely redo it. And that's gonna take a lot of work, I'm afraid. But I'm hoping to fix that all today. And then there's a lot more consistency. Hopefully. I'm hoping to like have a public release with quotation marks by Thursday. But there's quite a lot that still needs to be done before that. So luckily I got a holiday for the coming week. So I'll spend a chunk of time on this. Oh, hang on, I'm doing stupid. You shouldn't be the state. You should be no system service. And that's gonna be system service. There we go. So instead of system state, we should read out system. Holidays is perfect time to get work done. Yeah, I know, right? Hang on. Why is there no Hey? Am I being daft? I am. I truly am. Alright, this song's too creepy. This doesn't help. Ah, there we go. I like this one. I mean, it's always nice to work on your own stuff and not on the boss stuff, you know? Get selected. Alright, hang on. Yeah, I know what to do. We're gonna make a new variable. Selected squad ID, which will be this store select signal systems. No, not service. I'm gonna go system. Hang on, but I already have a thing for this, right? I don't have a thing. That's why I'm confused. There we go. Hang on, because we have to select soldier in here, available, but we also need to select that squad ID. Also gonna be the same thing. We're gonna copy this one over. And it's gonna be selected squad ID. And we go to the end here, we delete this and get selected squad ID. There we go. That's why I was doing convoluted stuff that wasn't necessary. Because we're gonna go const selected squad ID. It will be this system service selected squad ID. Then we need to check if there's actually a squad selected. So we're gonna go if select squad ID is not NURL. And if one exists, we can add the soldier to it. Selected squad ID. Alright. Well, that's one minor big fix. Then we go to the selected squad. You should listen to the overview facade. It's gonna be the system server selected squad ID. If that is not NURL, we can show it. So we're gonna go system service. Select squad. Wait, what's wrong? Oh, because yeah, okay. That bug fix seems familiar. What do you mean? I'm sure it's an original one. I never done this before. But yeah, I tried to do this before, and in the end it only made it weirder. It only made it worse, honestly. No. So that's why I decided to just redo the whole system. Yeah, and hopefully just make it a bit more easier, more have the data a bit more away from each other. Property select squad ID does not exist on that. Yeah, that's right, because we deleted that. So instead of this, it's gonna be right, do you need the overview facade? It's over there. Yeah, you do. Wasn't there for that, just for... Yeah, it's exact. You know exactly what bug it's for. There have been like 3 people have reported something along the same lines that basically all came down to, hey, it doesn't keep track of what squad actually is selected correctly. So let's see, we're gonna make this. Then over here we're gonna say select squad. Yeah, select squad, we don't change a variable now, we just go system service, select. Oh, can't you change the selected squad ID yet? You should be able to, right? Set selected soldier ID, unset. No, you cannot. I haven't made it yet, whoops. So then we go set selected squad ID, and instead of select soldier we're gonna go select squad, and that should be all. So over here it's gonna be set selected squad ID, and what we want to select is this dot squad ID. I think that's what we did before, right? Yeah, we just call a different area to change it. But at least we're calling the correct thing. Property select the squad ID does not exist. Yeah, we got rid of that one. Property select squad ID. Yeah, we're gonna get a lot of these. Okay. But yeah, of course, the annoying part about changing this out is you have to change it for the whole application, and it needs to make sense. Stinky Dutchman, stinky Irishman. Nah, I'm pretty sure you're a very clean Irishman. How you doing, Panda? Good afternoon to you, good sir. I am doing nerd shit, which shouldn't be surprising, honestly. If you're surprised by that, you should pay more attention, I guess. Yeah. So instead of overview facade, you're just gonna listen to Love You Too. Hey, love you too, buddy. Bored as fuck? Ah, that's why you're in here. Ooga Booga, Snowy, hello, hello. How you both doing? It's been a while since I saw you. Oh, hang on. Why am I in your right ear? I should be in both your ears. Oh, right. The right ear is a bit louder. Hang on. This should be better. This should be kind of equal. Only in your right? Are you guys gaslighting me? For me, it shows me on both audio tracks. I'm gonna be mad if you guys are gaslighting me. Just gonna assume you are and move on. Not trolling. Hang on. One sec. Alright, hang on. I need to actually talk so I can hear it myself. 1 sec. Alright, it seems fine to me now. Like, I just spent a second listening and it all seemed fine. Oh shit, I forgot to mute myself. Hang on, there we go. Was weird as fuck there, was like for a second. Slightly louder on your right, music was equal. Yeah, it was louder on the right. That was on my side. Thank you for pointing that out. Alright, let's clear this terminal, run it again, see how many more bugs there are. How many more errors we're getting. Well, that's not a lot. Only 1, 2. Only 2? Dang. That's almost competent. Alright, let's see. Yeah, you don't have that, that's correct. So instead of overview facade, you should listen to the system service. Nice. And it's basically the same over here. Except you don't have the system service yet. When you're going to play Delta, I don't think I'm gonna play it anytime soon. Gotta be honest, that game, I don't think it's for me. I've tried it out after, I think like a month back, I tried it out for a few games. It's just not for me. It's too Call of Duty like. Like the time to kill is just too high for my taste. And I know not everybody agrees on that, but I prefer like a time to kill 1 or 2 shots. More like CS than Delta. So I got annoyed every time I got like 4 hits off and I didn't kill anyone. So I decided, yeah, this game probably isn't for me. Oh, nice. We actually managed to build it. Let's see if it actually works. Oh shit. Do I have a debugger statement in there? Oh, I do. Alright, let's get rid of those. There was another one? Yeah, over there. Reload it. So if we select the squad, it actually shows up. If we select the soldier, it shows up. Alright, that seems fine. Now if we delete the soldier... Yeah, nothing's gonna happen if we delete the soldier. We haven't made that part yet. Let's see. We at least are back to the status quo. As some aristocrat would say. Now we just need to make sure... Actually, it unselects the soldier if you delete it. Let's go for the soldier. Where's the soldier parts? There's the soldier parts. Oh, hang on. I need to do my pinned message. Let me test if I'm actually typing the correct URL. Yeah, I do. Let's go. Pin it. Whatever. Okay, so the thing is, the moment we click the delete the soldier thing. Where is it? Here it is, delete soldier. It should delete the soldier, but in addition to that, we also want this system service unselected soldier ID. Unset selected soldier ID. There's one more thing, because now if we click on it, it will also count as clicking on the soldier, so it will select it again. I had a bit of code prevent default? No. Something with bubbling? I've had this problem before, because technically you click it again, so it gets unselected. It gets selected again because you clicked it. So we need to make sure it doesn't do that. Angular HTML prevent event bubbling is the term, I believe. Propagating, whatever, it's all the same. Stop propagation. Alright, so in this case we're just passing the event along to this. Then we go over here, we say an event, which will be like a click event, I think. And then we should go event stop propagation. Okay, so now we select the soldier, we click the delete, and it gets unselected. Holy shit. It's been such a long running bug and it's just done. It's done in what? 30 minutes? 30 minutes. I'm amazing. Alright, and now what we need to do, let's see, we're adding a new squad, we're deleting this one, and then it shouldn't show add soldier, because now if we try to add a soldier, it will add it to squad number 1 that we just deleted. Oh shit, there's ads. Ads. It's all ads all the way down. Let's just open these because we're gonna need them. Quad and squats. Go down there. Yeah, that's it. Hello, Julie. Good afternoon. You currently play more Foxhole than Enlisted? I mean, that's fair enough. Honestly, Enlisted has been a little bit still. Especially since the Battle Pass got, delayed twice. I'm looking forward to the new Battle Pass, though. I'm looking forward to the event. I think it's gonna be a fun one. And just having a leaderboard event's always nice. But yeah, it's stagnated. It's stagnated for a bit. But yeah, as we all know, if you play Enlisted actively, it's always nice to take a break every once in a while to prevent the burnout. Because there's been a lot of people in the burnout. Alright, let's see. We want to go overview facade, delete squads. With this squad signal.id. Yeah, that's fine. When more stuff comes out, you're gonna bet I'm gonna be playing again, like the Jet. Yeah, I don't think there's gonna be Jets released soon. I think that's something that they're gonna do more down the line. Yeah, they have a lot more to add in the listed. I still play it a little bit, like a few games. It's just a nice game if I'm watching something. I can turn my brain off, I don't need to pay attention. You bet who's gonna play Jet. I think everybody's gonna really enjoy the Jets. So I wanna go delete squad. You're playing listed whenever you're stressed? Yeah, that's what I mean. It's just a really chill game if you put enough hours in it. You can just turn your brain off and play. And that's really nice. Oh wait, did I actually, let me check, system service. That's with de-stressing, yep. Yeah, I don't have anything that can, public, unset selected. Squad ID. Actually, it would be really nice if we have to check if the thing, hang on, I got an ID. Because what we ideally want is we want to unselect it if you have it selected, and otherwise you can just delete squad and there's no consequences. Ironically? How so ironically? I don't really see the irony in that. Public, unset squad. Unset squad if squad ID. That's a bad name. That's a terrible name, but I'm still gonna do it. Then we're gonna go if this selected squad ID equals squad ID. We're gonna this. Oh, we still need to make the unset select this store. Why am I typing? I can't just copy. And this is a war game, which is stressful often. I mean, kinda, but it's more a game than a war. Like it's not. If you know what I mean, it's just completely different playing it. And if you have put in as much hours as we have, it gets really easy to play it. No, I remember in the start it was really impactful with all the explosions and everything heading around. But in the end you just get used to that and you can just ignore them. Alright, so now we have the logic with a way to unset squad ID. And over here we can pass a squad ID. If it's selected squad ID, it gets unselected. So over here we're gonna go call that. It's this system service unset squad if squad ID this squad signal dot ID. Hang on, I know. Foxhole is more war game, everything's playable. Yeah, I still want to play Foxhole, it's just, it's kind of scary to get into. I have the game, I just haven't played it. Well, I probably started it up like once or twice. Warcry My Own Time, of course, it's a World War II game. It's just realistic. Alright, so if my logic serves, we're gonna delete it. Actually, we don't need to pass the whole squad signal. We can just this squad ID. And if it is, we can just go this squad ID. There we go. That's a lot easier. Welcome back. Welcome back, Julie. Yeah, I do have Foxhole. I bought it a long while ago because somebody was like, hey, we should play Foxhole. And then we never played it. Oh god, Windows, please. I didn't want to remove everything off my screens. I want that back. Oh god. I'm sorry, Windows just ruined my whole screen setup. Want that back. There we go. I just want to look at my Steam library. Because I do have, yeah, I do have Foxhole in there. I have 60 minutes of playtime. You have an offer I build a tank if you actually want to try it out. I don't know. If I'm going to try it out, I just really want to get into it, and I don't think I'll have the time for that anytime soon. I would love to play it at some point, but I don't think now is the correct time. But I would love to play it at some point, yes. Alright, let's see. Theoretically, hang on, let's make a new squad. We open the squad. Theoretically, if we delete the squad, it should be unselected, so we shouldn't get the add soldier button. Let's see. Damn it! Add soldier, yeah, it's still ruined. Fair, Foxhole is for everyone. I think I would really enjoy it. Like, what I've heard, and another function, hang on, what? From what I've heard, it seems really interesting, and I would enjoy playing it. It's just I don't really have the time to dig into it right now, and it's quite a complex game to get started on. Okay, so it doesn't exactly work. I think I know why. Hang on. Because we have exactly the same problem. Yes. So we're gonna pass the event over here. Because it does the same as it did with Soldier just now. Because we click delete squad, we technically click the whole thing. So it deletes it, and after that it selects it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna catch the event. Event's gonna be an event. We can say event stop propagation. So we don't want anything that happens to you to be passed along to your parents. It takes a 1 to 2 hour grind for getting a good tank. A tank which can be used later. I mean, I'm assuming that's under the assumption that there's already, you know, the base materials being laid. Alright, so now if we delete the squad, it should not show the add soldiers. Let's see. Oh, look at that. It works. Gotta go. Hey, thanks for stopping by, Julie, and I'll see you around. It works. Oh my god. Okay, let's test this one again. So we're gonna click the soldier. Soldier selected. We're gonna delete it. Okay, lovely. That works. Then one more thing. If we select the soldier and we delete the squad, will the soldier be unselected? It will not. Okay, that's honestly, that was to be expected. But what I think what we should do... Yeah, alright. We're gonna copy the same function that we have over here. Oh no, it's actually quite easy. We can just go this unselect soldier. Sorry? Unset selected soldier ID. That's the one. Because now if we unselect the squad, if it's selected, so that's already an, you know, if the squad is selected, the soldier that's selected will also be in that squad. So we can just easily go delete squad. No, wrong squad. Delete this squad, and everything will be unselected. Alright, lovely. Then there's only one more thing over here to do, which is making this exact same thing, but then for the soldiers. I'm not gonna copy it. There's too much change. We might as well just retype it. So we go public unset soldier if selected soldier ID. Soldier ID number. We'll give you a number. And then we go if this selected soldier ID equals a soldier ID, this unset selected soldier ID. Squad ID, no soldier ID. This dot unset selected soldier ID. There we go. Oh wait, need to add these. Okay, and we should actually be using this, and that's in the soldier component, soldier, this one. So delete soldier, it's gonna be unset soldier if selected soldier ID, and we pass them the soldier ID. What's going on? Expected one argument, but you have one argument. Yeah, you just need to think on it for a second, I guess. Alright. So now, if we delete this soldier up here, it shouldn't change. It changes. Let's make sure it doesn't accidentally remove the wrong soldier. So right now we have a rifleman and a mortarman. I'm gonna have the mortarman selected and delete the rifleman. Alright, everything will be unselected. It does remove the correct soldier. Let's check what's going on over here. What's the soldier ID that you get past? And what's the this selected? No, it's this dot soldier. Oh, it's not in here. Excuse me. We should be checking in here. There is a soldier ID, and we want this selected soldier ID. So theoretically, let's see. If we remove the fighter pilot here. No, if we remove the mortarman now, it should give us two different IDs. Because we have select soldier IDs of the fighter pilot. But the soldier we're removing should be the mortar. So let's have a check. Function computed too. Oh, okay. Excuse me, that's my bad. Forgot to add those. Not very cash money of me. Alright, let's test the same thing. Engineer. So we're going to be selecting the engineer, removing the fighter pilot. 0 and 2. So they're different. They're different, and yet they get unset. Wait, is there logic in here? This oh right. We add logic to delete soldier, but we don't want it there. Like it should only delete a soldier, not do anything else to other parts of our application. Alright, so we select a rifleman, we delete this one, and nothing changes. Then we add a new one. Gonna add the flame trooper. We're gonna select this one and then delete it. And still select it. Okay. That's less than ideal. Alright, let's see if there's an error over here. If it keeps track of something incorrectly, something like that. Add soldier. So we select this one. Bonk. And then we delete that one. It should unset it. Unset select soldier ID. This system action select soldier NULL. Okay. Does it select it for some reason again? Let's see. We want to log that. Console log. Select soldier ID. Let's have a little look what it does. Because I suspect it gets unselected and after that gets selected again. So we select soldier ID is 2. Select soldier ID will be 0. So we select 2. Then we delete 2. Huh. Okay. That's very interesting. Because let's check the delete squad. Alright, everything gets removed if we delete squad, so that's fine. We select the soldier, we delete the soldier, and it doesn't. Let's put this in here, and I want to go in here. System action, select soldier, NULL. So the question is, where does this go wrong? Select the soldier, delete it. Oh. Oh no. Oh, gee. If selected squad ID is equal to soldier ID, no, it's gonna be selected soldier ID equal to selected soldier ID. There we go. We just had luck because we were soldier ID 1 and squad ID 1. So we had a lucky break there. Alright, so we select this. Select soldier ID is 1. We delete it. Book, and it gets unselected. Delete this one, nothing happens. We delete the squad and everything's cleared. Alright, well that's lovely. We just basically redid the whole system without any troubles. Okay. Well, that's actually a big win. Just gonna check that in and move on to the next one, I guess. I want to run all of these. And I run our linting. Let's see, package the package kebab. No. We don't want to go about kebab case. For those who don't know, kebab case is a certain way to annotate where space should be. That's a horrible way of explaining it. I'm still not willing to elaborate. Oh. Oh no. This store select signal is not a function. Nani? What do you mean this store select? What? This store select signal is not. What the heck? Alright, let's have a look at what this means. This store select signal is not a function. Vi test. Store select is not Angular. Mock store override selector mock value. Override selector works respect with select signal. Remember, you need to call store reflect to trigger an emission. Alright, but that's not what kind of error we're getting. Like store is, yeah, you're just a store we'd be expecting. Can I go nx cache delete? Using nx to remove run a deprecate will be removed for the function, yada yada yada. Let's see, what if we go fight remove cache? Use fight force flag. This store select signal is not. Right, that's really weird. We're just gonna copy this one and see what we get. Select is not a function. Fixed it by doing this, okay. That's really weird though. Store testbed inject store. Oh, hang on. I know what we did. System state. There we go. Right, let's try this all again. Because we did add a new part to our local storage, but we didn't include it in the tests. So it's no wonder the test got confused there. Oh shit, still ain't working. This store select signal is not a function. That's really weird because it works everywhere else. Alright, just to be safe, I'm gonna remove. What's going on here? Oh, yeah, just the usual. Okay, check. No need to worry about those. Let's just stop everything we're running. Stop all. We're gonna delete these two. We're just gonna reinstall all of our external packages. Gonna take a sec. Import actual. Alright, and then we're just gonna cleanly install our external dependencies, as they're called. As the pros call them, apparently. Couldn't be me. We're just patiently waiting here. Nothing to see here. Move along. Sure, taking its sweet time about it. Oh well, while this is going on, ads are coming up, so I'm gonna make some coffee and I'll be right back. Installing anyway. Alright, the coffee's still brewing, but that's okay. Let's see if we fixed our issues with a clean install. I honestly doubt it, but you never know. They're running and nope, it ain't working. PyTest select signal is not a function. Default's not a function. PyTest unit testing. Right, but I really need something with select signal in there. I'm not mocking, it's not here. Alright, let's have a look at that. Open this issue. Select signal. Mockstar fails to properly handle override to memory, whatever. Let's have a look. I used a product signal math random my finger to verify create selector products moimus as expected, but somehow with Mockstar it manages to break memorization. Okay, that's not what we're looking for. Select signal. Actually has a safe choice too. I've seen it works well for a team. Keep using it. Switching to signals for a template part should be easy too, using the available function. Yeah, okay. And over here, if we go, that's not part of our search query. Alright, let's run it again. It's kind of annoying that this breaks the test because it shouldn't. This select signal gets selected soldier. But that should just be part of the store. We've been using it successfully all over. So I'm kind of weirded out why it's suddenly there's like, hey, this is not correct. Proxy delegate. You're just using normal store, right? Testbed inject store. Store is store, and store just comes from nxgs/store. Right? Is that the same store we're using in other places? Get rid of this one. Yeah, nxgs store. It's the same thing. If it's the same thing, why isn't it given as an error? That's weird. Wrapper function. Hang on. Fight plugin Angular. Do we need to update this one? That could be absolutely possible. Fire? No, fight. Fight plugin Angular. Yeah, let's look at the latest version. Latest version is versions. There we go. 1.14.0. That might be it. So it should be 1.14.0. We're gonna install this again. Is there something like a changelog over here? Can we see what's going on? I don't think we can. Alright. So let's stop this, run it again from scratch. There's a few errors in there, but nothing too bad. Store select signal is not a function. Wait, what's this? Can't invoke a property which is possibly undefined. That's not an issue. We did update it to the latest version. Fight. Wait, hang on. NX fight. nx/fight. There we go. Alright, show me your package. Here it is, nx/fight. Yeah, we should probably update this one as well. What's the latest version? 20.4. Oh yeah, we're like 2 major versions behind. Where did it go? Fight, nx/fight 18. Yeah. So this should be, let's start at 20.4.6. We might need to go down to like, what's it, 19 point something? Is there a new installation? Let's see what's going on over here. Package is a fight plugin for NX, yeah. Let's see if there's any other fight plugins in here. Fight. dsconfig and fight test. Let's also look at fight test. Fight test. Latest version is 3.0.7. Yeah. Also 2 major versions behind there. So let's 3.0.7. Save it. Do a new install. Have a look at the versions just to be sure. Yeah, 3.0.7 is the latest. Could not resolve. Yeah, alright, so we fixed that one. I was complaining about it. Let's try to run our tests again, shall we? This store select is still not a function. Alright, so we have NX Fight installed. What else was there with Fight? With over there, Fight plugin Angular. That's been updated. Fight itself has been updated. Fight dsconfig there, okay. Yes, link's not it. Maybe we can try to delete all this karma things. Yo, Fukesoft, how's it going, man? I just discovered I tried to use a new function and now my tests all broke, so I'm trying to figure out why that's happening. I did fix like one of the major bugs in the application, which was occurring like, the problem was if we had, oh, it's all broken, I'm sorry, let me reload. Uh-oh, yep. We're in dependency hell. Oh, you're not even running? Let's just run it again. Yeah, there we go. Reload. Yeah, like the bug we had was that if we had like stuff selected and we deleted it, like I currently have this soldier over here selected. Let me just, yeah. And I deleted it, the soldier would stay selected. So it would be really confusing. Like you try to add stuff to the soldier like this and nothing would be saved because the soldier didn't exist. And the same happened when we deleted the squad. And now that all works correctly. But yeah, I also did another update to some version numbers, like updating to Angular 19 instead of 18, and now all the tests have broken because they're complaining about, hey, we can't find this one function that I'm using in different places, and there's no problem anywhere else except here. So that's gonna be fun. So I've been checking versions to see if everything's up to date. It wasn't. It should be now. Alright, hang on. I'm just gonna go for it's reinstating. How you doing, Fukesoft? You enjoying the weekend? Alright, it's still happening. Because let's see. Is store mark select squad get squads? Subscribe, okay. That just returns that. It's in here, isn't it? Store select, store select. No, huh? Where's it actually being called? The overview facade service. Oh yeah, it's over here. This store select signal. Huh, we're doing good. You are girlfriend still a bit sick, but seems to be mostly back to herself when we talked earlier. Hey, that's nice to hear. Did she have a bad flu? It was flu, wasn't it? If I'm not misremembering. Work on design for French cosplay. Oh, that's cool. What cosplay? What are they gonna cosplay? Alright, I'm just gonna make sure we're working with a clean application. So we're gonna remove our node modules and our package lock. And we're gonna reinstall everything after that. Oh, hang on. Oh. Oh, right, because we're running stuff in the background, it can't be deleted. Stop everything that's running and try deleting it again. Alright, 1 second. My coffee should be ready. I'll be back in a second. I have returned with coffee. But yeah, what kind of cosplay they gonna do? She's got some chronic stomach pains that flare up throughout the year. Oh, I haven't been able to figure it out. Welcome back with coffee, thank you. Oh yeah, I hope they figure it out, man. Like those chronic pains, especially if there's not a clear reason for it, those can be killing. It's new installation. Errors. Stuff is just absolutely breaking. Did I delete too much? Unable to resolve dependency tree while resolving. Found Vitess 3.0.7. Hang on, let's just it's now half and half. Let's make it full screen. There it is. Your friend's doing cosplay of her D&D character, asks us all to make embroidery design based on how we know her. Oh damn, that's cool. Are you any good at embroidery? Gonna be honest, I'd be absolutely dog shit at it. I do horrible at embroidery. To accept incorrect interpretation of broken dependency resolution. I found this. Alright, but I don't see the issue. Like, these versions are the same. Let's have a look at our package, what it says. Nothing is installed is what it's saying. That's correct. Our character is a 4 feet tall Tabaxi ranger who's super into embroidery. You're not doing the embroidery. You're just mucking up in the vector. I mean, that's already going above my head. That's too much design for me. Alright, what if we just say 3.0.0? Like, it will update the version. It will probably go up to 3.0.7. But hopefully it doesn't complain about the dependency paths. No, it will complain about it. Yeah, gotcha. Develop 3.0.0, pair dependency from Vitess that, pair optional 3.0.7 from Vitess. Wait, are we missing Vitess/browser? Do we need that? I think we just might. Let's have a check. So if we go at test browser and we say higher than 3.0.7. Did they just add new dependency that they didn't tell us about? No, apparently not. Sad. Would have been so nice if that was it. Pair NX fight from nlog.js platform 1. Wait, this version is too high for this one? Okay, let's see. So what's the platform thing? There's platform browser, and nlog.js /platform. Alright, so there's possibly a new version of that one. Where's my browser? There it is. What was it called? nlog.js platform. nlog.js platform. Let's have a look at the versions. Latest version is 1.14 and we're at 1.1. Okay, that might be something. 1.14.0. Let's try running that one again. It's probably, yeah, I was about to say, there's probably something else broken. I was solving that, found free test 3.0.7. Pair free test 3.0.7. 3.0.7 from the root project. It's kind of weird because this should be up to 3.0.7 as it stands. What if we just say it's a hard version? That's a problem? No, it's not. Not resolve dependency, free test. I test 3 points. Wait, why do you need 1 point? Why can't you support 3 point? Alright, that's weird. Let's see. So if we go higher than 2.0.2.2. Save it. Because this one's complaining that it needs 2.0.0, but we are doing 3 point something. It doesn't break immediately, so that's a good sign, I'd say. Oh, but it breaks slower at least. That's progress, right? Vtest browser. I don't think we have that installed at all. Let's check. Where's our vtest? Oh wait, we do. It should just be. It should be like 2.1.9 and not 3 point something. Let's go 3.1.9. That's the one that says, right? Yeah, here, 3.1.9. Sorry, 2.1.9. I kept saying 3. I meant 2. It's almost there. I believe it's almost there. So far it's 30 minutes bug fixing, 1 hour fixing packages. That's just Angular development right there. And still it's better than just normal JavaScript development. I feel like it takes longer to fill, and I can't help but feel like that's an improvement. It takes a really long time. I'm actually getting hopeful now. Can't wait for my hopes to be crushed. Hopes and dreams. Oh! Oh wow! It's actually working. Imagine that. Making stuff and it working. I was about to say couldn't be me, but it's literally me. Glock version of old. Yeah, sure, whatever. Okay. Now the big question is, did this actually solve our problems? Come on, I believe. Initializing tests. Okay. Wait, no, that's just normal. Application stuff, whatever, don't care. Actually, yes, AP. Not breaking yet. Dang it! It still broke. Gosh, dang it. This store's Alright, at this point I'm getting hopeless. We're just gonna ask our friendly chat GPT to know if they running Angular tests. I get this error and I don't get it. Oh, sorry. There we go. It looks like you're trying the not very happens using an older version. Mocking issue in tests. That might be it, honestly. If you're testing a component and mocking the store incorrectly, select signal might be undefined. I don't think we're mocking it, honestly. We're just... we're kind of mocking it. Alright, let's have a look at this example. No, this is... I think it's over here. Yeah. Store mock. We're literally calling it store mock. Oh, hang on. Mock return value, test signal Angular. Mocking. We definitely need signals. How do I test signals? Let's... Signals, yada yada yada. Go away. Hey, welcome back, sir. How's it going? I am struggling out here. That's nothing out of the ordinary. Store mock dot select. I don't think it... What if we just go... we copy this. Let's see. We copy these. And we're gonna add the same. Had dinner, gonna play Delta or something. Maybe hop on enlisted? No. I need to fix bugs, Sarah. I need to do my important work. Something like that. I don't know. Nobody asked for this but me. Select signal. Right, what if we just fake it? Fake it till you make it. It's not a function. But wait, that's... Oh. Yeah, I think we might have it. This might, you know, make other difficulties down the line. But for now... 9 failed, alright. Slowly, one by one. Oh boy. Hop on War Thunder? No. No. Hang on. We're just gonna go... Wait, where did I fix it? I did fix it just now, right? Yeah, here. Just gonna go... How many lines is this? Like 8? We're gonna grab those and we're just gonna Paste it all over there. And we're gonna remove these. Oh shit, that's too much. Over there. Oh, I can't type. What the heck? I can't count. It's more like I can count. Wait. Yeah, okay. Save it over there, remove these. Let's see which ones go. Oh, alright, the ones down here go wrong. Oh shit. Got to copy the last one. Now, I'll be probably be playing some games later on. I don't know what yet. I was thinking about continuing Psychonauts. Was hoping the Enlisted update was out, but I'm an idiot and today's the 1st of March and tomorrow will be the new Battle Pass and hopefully the event. So I'm really looking forward to that. That's gonna be hella fun. I won't be there tomorrow because I have stuff to do tomorrow. But after that, I'll definitely be playing event. In between fixing all this shit. Because it ain't gonna fix itself. Sadly. And paste it over there. What's going on here? Yeah, same difference. Yank these 8 lines. Put them in over here. And the last one over here. Paste it. Remove them. Save it. I mean, we need to redo all of these at some point, but that's not going to be today. Probably going to do that off stream because it's going to be tedious, annoying work. Canvas read properties when defined. Reading select what? You fucking what, mate? What are you complaining about? This get selected soldier ID. Don't care. It gets you should at least be like NOL. Oh, no you shouldn't. Before overview, squad state. There we go. Squad state. Soldier state and system state. It should fix that one up. Alright, let's run them all again. No provider for what? Oh yeah, we're just gonna delete this. We're gonna worry about this. Actually, what we can do is just do this. And we can ignore all of this. Actually, let's just go comment all of this shit out. There we go. Let's see if this fixes it. Yeah, there we go. It's fixed. Do all of them. Stop a rerun. Rerun. For some reason, I feel like I can't pronounce English words that have 2 R's in quick succession. Like stuff like rerun or rural. I just can't fucking pronounce it and I don't know why. I always feel like I put a W in there. in rural. Rural stuff for native English speakers. I mean, stuff for non-native English speakers as well. Apparently, I just proved it. I didn't prove shit. I'm, sample size of 1, but we know how it goes. Overhaul selected soldiers to make the selections more separated from the rest of the application logic. There we go. That's a nice descriptive full message. I am really proud of my whoever made that one needs to be evaluated. Wait, which one? Oh shit, there's ads. Okay. I can make this pull request while we're doing ads. The word rural. Yeah, fair enough. BRB, that's when the ads happen. Yeah, of course, it's a bloody French. Well, Romans. Warnings? 3 of them, let's have a look. Unused imports, okay, that's fair. Actually, no, you can stay. Unused imports specify a signal, okay, you can be gone, that's good. Hey, that's it. Well, apparently we need to re-evaluate the Romans. Which I think is in general a good proposal. Or French influences in English, more like. Right. Come on, give me a push. Give me a nice 1 warning error on my code. I can live with 1 warning. Yeah, there we go. Commit anyway you push. We're just ignoring all the warnings. Create a pull request. Wait, what? Refresh. There we go. We want to go from selected soldier overhaul into develop. I mean, there's a lot of changes in there. I don't need to check them because I just made them. What does kind of annoy me is it does. I just want my commit message in there. There we go. Copy, paste. Back from ads. Was it longer than the message? Then the message ads are over? Because I have had a few complaints about that. And it should be more in line with what it is, but maybe I need to up the timer a bit. Nah? Alright, nice. Alright, let's see. We're gonna go back to develop. Let's make sure everything's up. You're just late in responding. Alright, no worries, mate. You can be however late you want. How's the embroidery research going? I'm really proud of my commit messages. I have really tried not to do like fix. as a commit message. And I think so far I mostly succeeded on that. Where can I'm not used to using GitHub. I used to use Bitbucket at work. Where are the commits? They're like few all branches. 85 commits, there it is. Force mitten with lintfix. Well, lintfix is usually like the bad thing, the bad commit message. But there's nothing, you know, if you heard lint's wrong, you just fix it. Add all soldier type perks, fix bugs, yeah. Yeah, look at me doing, being responsible and having proper commit messages. We just need to wait for all of this to be done so we can merge it. Start working on the next one. Don't ask it. No, actually I would like for it to ask again. We'll just run it by hand, I guess. How long does this usually take? My actions? Like 10 minutes. Ugh. Wait, it used to be 4 minutes and now it's 10? What's going on? Let's have a look. Why did you take 4 minutes and why did you take 10 minutes? See, where's the time? It's a 8-minute npm install. And this is probably gonna be a faster npm install. Yeah, it's 1 minute 50. I think it's because we had nothing, nothing cached, because this was the Angular 19 update. So hopefully that's, oh no. Oh shit, did I not lint before I pushed? Was I being that stupid? I think that's what I did. I didn't check if the code was up to date with how I want it. Not up to standard, I guess. As none of the kids would say. Let's see what, well, yeah, that's, alright, let's try to run the autofix. Minus fix, there we go. I'm hoping that takes care of most of the problems, honestly. There should be definitely 2 warnings. Yeah, that's right. Unexpected console statement. That's correct. That should be there. Thank you very much. Me from the past from adding that. And here we go. Our most used commit message. Lint fix. Commit and push. Perfect. Push. Right, at least like the npm install is down to 1 minute 13, so there's no 10 minute commits anymore. 10 minute commits anymore. Go back to the pull request. Then it should automatically run this. We can just close some of these. Alright. Let's see. We're just gonna keep an eye on that. I don't expect we will really have to do anything anymore. Because this time I was smart and actually checked the stuff. What's on our list to do? First test feedback. Oh shit. The updated version is in the thing. Yeah, pull request. We fixed this. If you don't select the type of soldier, classes will only update the perk points. Yeah, that's another bug. That's annoying, but manageable. I hope. Let's just run it while we're waiting for this to finish. Let's see, refresh. Yeah, there it is. So theoretically, there we go. Theoretically, there are unique perks for certain classes. Let's add a flame trooper. Yeah, so over here, flame trooper should have this one. But if we select it, so we currently have this selected, then we change it to a flame trooper, list doesn't get updated. And funnily, hang on, that's another one, which I only just now noticed. Perks don't get unselected if you change soldier. Because this one shouldn't show. Yeah, there we go. Like, this one's still marked as selected, even though we're in a completely different soldier. Oh no, hang on. Yeah, it's still selected, even though it's... oh shit. Oh, alright. Well, that's good to know. Select squad does not reflect all potential. Alright, we fixed this one as well. We update Angler. How is this going? It's all done. Nice. Checks are done. Comply those rules. Yeah. Honestly, the rules are for other people, not me. Okay, we merged that. We can delete the remote branch. Gonna remove it from here. Nope, not rename. We're gonna delete it. And we're gonna be updating this one. Okay, so we can remove that one as well. Lovely. I should have done this before we committed and pushed it, but that's fine. Okay, let's see. If you don't select the type of soldier, it will only update the perk. Yeah, the perk points should be updated when you select a soldier. So let's make a new branch from that. It's gonna be bug fix slash not dash slash update soldier updates perk overview when soldier type is changed. Nice descriptive branch titles. I'm loving it. We don't want that running in the background. Okay, let's have a look. How does it work right now? Gonna go to the perk overview. If soldier signal, you show a lot of stuff. What's a soldier signal? You just get that as an input, I guess. Oh, right. Hang on. I was thinking about this earlier. Because we're using an effect, which is a particular thing, but there was something more useful to this use case. Angular 19, which was one of my major reasons for updating the Angular version. Angular 19 update. Changelog. What's it called again? Meet Angular 19. That's not much better. Build for speed. Don't care. Hydration is not what is useful for us. Replay event. Nope. Pre-render stuff. This is all for a lot of server-side stuff that we're not using. Standalones, strict reinforcements. Modernize. Linked signals. I think this is it. Developer feedback as well as observing how applications in the wild use Angular signals. We saw an opportunity to serve better common use case with new primitive. Often in UIs there's a need for a mutable state that still tracks some higher level state. That's exactly what we're working with. For example, a selection UI has a current selection state which changes if the user makes a selection, but also needs to reset if the list of options change. The new linked signal primitive creates a writable signal which creates this type of dependency. Okay, so how does it work? Linked signal clearly expresses the relationship between options and choice without resorting to an effect usage. The new API is two forms, simplified and advanced one where the developer has access to previous values of options and choice. Also has it's experimental. Okay, that's fine. I don't mind a little bit of experimentation. Let's see if we can get a bit more information though. Linked signal. Linked signal is to develop preview. If it's ready for you to try, it might change before it's stable. That's fine. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. But to exchange your shipping options signal, its value may change. Shipping options change. Select yada yada yada. Okay. This system server. Okay. But this only updates when selected soldier is updated, and that's not what we want. Wait, why do we keep track of two different things? We have the soldier signal. Hang on, I think I may have just found it without having to change that. Let's just go soldier stick. I just want to show the ID of the soldier, I think. ID, and next to that I want to show soldier signal.hash. Oh yeah, question mark, because we're not sure if it exists, even though it does. Alright, so we select soldier, it says 0161, and then we change it to a fighter pilot. Alright, it does change. Only the perks don't get... We're aware it changes. Only this one doesn't change. Okay, but I think I might have a solution for that. And right, what we're gonna do for sure is just remove all of this. We don't need this. Hopefully. The goal is to not need this. We'll just keep it there for reference, because we're definitely gonna forget something that it does otherwise. But for now we're just gonna pretend it's not there. And we're gonna get I think these should all just be linked signals. Selected option is linked signals is... So, theoretically, we should go... initialize selected option to the first shipping options. And then we update it over there. Okay. They need to change whenever soldier signal is changed. Okay, so we're gonna go public. We have the soldier signal. Soldier signal set soldier signal. Hang on. Just looking at this. I think. No, that's not it. That's not it. That's not it. But what might be it equals that. Oh yeah, no, without activation. So just as a stupid guess, Because now you're this one. We make the flame trooper and nothing changes. Lovely. Okay, that wasn't it. That weren't it. Alright, we're gonna return this all to do it like that. Alright, so what if we just go public possible perks? You're gonna be a signal. What was it? Linked signal. Possible perks equals linked signal. And it should be this. Yeah. What are you? What do you expect to be? Levels array, selected, possible perks, writable signal. Yeah, you're just gonna be, let's do that. You're gonna be a writable signal of iPerk, an array of iPerks, linked signal. And what we're gonna do in here is we're gonna go this soldier signal dot possible. How did we define it again? This get possible perks. Yeah. Alright, first we want to check if the soldier signal is null. If it exists. If it exists, we're gonna go this possible perks. No, this point, this dot. Get possible perks for soldier signal. Dot soldier type ID. Alright. Like what I'm struggling with right now is that it says this could be null, like NULL. Alright, so we're gonna do this a bit differently. Over there. Let soldier equals this dot soldier signal. If soldier, so if the soldier signal is correct, we're gonna go return this get possible perks soldier.id. That's it. And else it's gonna be just empty array return. So this will probably still have a lot of errors because we have a lot of stuff that's just not in there. Yo, Titan, how's it going? I am struggling out here. Stuff isn't working the way I want it to. I did manage to fix some bugs though already. That's good. How's the progress? It's pretty decent. I fixed an annoying bug today that if you had selected the soldier and you removed it, it would stay selected. So it doesn't do that anymore now. And that way it was possible to like add perks to a soldier that didn't exist, which... So that was a whole host of different problems down the line. Right now I'm trying to fix a different issue. I can show you this. Because, let's go. Oh, hang on, no. This is local host. I need to do it on the remote because I ruined my local host. ESM-dev.uglic.dev. There we go. Because right now, if I select the soldier, like this has the engineer perks, you know? So now I change it to a flame trooper and still has the engineer perks. And only if I change back and forth, those perks will be reloaded. So that's what I'm trying to fix now. But yeah, there's gonna be a lot of weird errors until I have that done, because I need to redo a whole part of the application. And yeah, that other bug I fixed actually, because over here, oh, that's a bending fader. I'll bend them in a second. Yeah, right now, like I have this one selected and I delete it and it's still here. I can still add perks to it. Oh, I can't. Alright, but it's showing at least, so it should do that. But that's fixed already, so that's good. Slash then ineffable sublimation. Okay, can I just not type? Apparently not. Let me pen this correctly. Alright, they're banned. Hopefully. Interesting stuff. It's a lot of honestly quite boring work, like the meat and potatoes of software development. Oh, there's this one specific bug that happens, and you know some people are gonna get tripped over it. I need to fix it, even though I don't really wanna. Alright, let's do that, and let's go over here. Console log is get possible perks for the soldier. Hang on, I don't think I need the ID. You need the soldier type ID. Yeah, sorry. You need the ID of the class, so it's gonna be soldier type ID, and the same is gonna happen over here. Soldier type ID, save it. And errors. Oh yeah, I need to remove these. There we go. So let's see. We're gonna open this, and it doesn't show anything. Does it just straight up not work? Possible perks is writable. Maybe I need to call it. Alright, let's make sure we do that. Want to make a different thing over here. We go public possible. No, we're gonna go log because we want to log something. The value is gonna able to be whatever it wants, and we say console log value. And then we call that from over here. So we go log possible perks from soldier signal soldier type ID. Oh, I forgot. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I forgot to close that one off. There we go. Expected 0 arguments, but got 1. Wait, what? Oh, right. You shouldn't be possible. You should be like get possible perks. Is private? Oh. Well. Alright, hang on. We can do this differently. We just call this. Yeah. Then over here we say like, hey, we don't need anything in here. We just go this possible get possible perks. No, I just want to log this possible perks. That's fine enough. But yeah, how are your day going, Titan? You looking forward to the event that's coming up? Hopefully. Alright, stays empty. I don't think this is getting called for some reason. I don't really know why. Is shipping options. This works signal with one key difference. Instead of passing a default value, you pass a computer functions. When the value of the computation changes, the value of the linked signal changes to the computation results. What? What? Before I'm gonna think on this, I need to go to the toilet and I want a quick snack, and ads are coming up. I'm gonna do that, and I'll be back in like 5 minutes or so. I'll be back in a bit. we're back. Let's have a look at how this one is actually. Hang on. I might have a good idea. Remove these. Oh no. I don't want to remove those. We just commented them out. Oh, hang on. I might have a good idea. Where's the thing? Possible perks. You shouldn't listen to this one. Actually, How would you be informed if a soldier changes? That's a big question here. If we change the soldier... Wait, what? I thought you were getting past the perk. Rifle signal, okay. Ah, you're not gonna get past anything. Soldier signal, where are you? Soldier signal, you hear nothing. Okay, so theoretically... Soldier ID is this system. Okay, so we have two signals we need to listen to. We have the soldier, like soldier thingy. Yeah, so it's public selected soldier ID, which will be this dot system service selected soldier ID. So you're listening to that. Then we want to have the soldier signal. So we go soldier signal. That's gonna be a linked signal. Let's get this one back. Because you should be going this selected soldier ID. If you're not anywhere else, we're gonna go return this dot. Let's see, this overview. Waiting for a sec. Overview facade. Soldier signal list. Get selected soldier ID or anywhere else. Yeah, and we're gonna guarantee that this will return a writable signal with the soldier in there. This selected soldier ID. No, but you are not null. Type assertion. You'll be a number. We check for that. What are you? Property. That soldier is this. You're not a writable signal. Soldier signal. Oh no, that's right. Because you just return the soldier. This overview facade. soldier list. Okay, let's see what that does. Okay, so you return a bunch of stuff. Then the question is, if we change this to be, let's see, a medic. Medic has unique stuff. So let's see, Vester. No, that's not it. Actually, let's just copy the whole object. We're gonna open it in Notepad. Notepad opening. There it is. It's my kingdom. From deliverance notes. So there should be something with medic in here, I suspect. There is not. Is there something with medic? Longer, faster, less shaky explosion. Do we have something with heal speed? Oh no, this is normal. So what do you have with med? Nothing. Very interesting. Oh, that's right. That's absolutely right. Because we don't update possible perks yet. I think. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see what we have here. Oh. Yeah, okay. So we go console log. Perks. Oh, sorry. Soldier type ID. Soldier type ID, which will be soldier.soldier type ID. So we're reloading. Let's see if we click it. Soldier type ID is 9. So now we're gonna change it to be like an engineer, which will be soldier type ID 4. And this one doesn't get called again. But that's interesting. You're not getting called. What's the other? What are all these logs in here? So let me just remove all of these. Log doesn't. Yeah, alright, that's fair. It's not in there. So let's select that one. Let's select this one. And then we change it. And nothing gets called. Actually, does nothing get called? Or do you just not get the soldier? Console log. Soldier boy. Soldier. There we go. Let's see what this does. Yeah, it doesn't get called. Very interesting. Let's have some more reading on it. Work similar to signal with one difference. Instead of passing a default value, you pass a computation value. When the value of the computation changes, the value of linked signal will change to the computation result. It helps ensure that linked signal always has a valid value. Linking linked signal. Linked signal, yada yada yada. I'm still confused. That never be confused again was a flat out lie. Right, so you're just not getting called apparently. What do you think you're... Right, you're gonna be an iBurg array. But you don't get called. Linked signal not triggering. When using linked signal, I've got a strange behavior that I did not... It's Yeah, you're not undefined. That's fine. Yeah, we don't really get an error. It just doesn't get called, apparently. what if we just immediately, instead of just using the results, we go this soldier signal. If this soldier signal is not anywhere else, we're gonna go over here, we're gonna say soldier signal. Can I add a type assertion for this? Alright, we're gonna go const soldier equals the result of soldier signal, and you will be a soldier. Oh, hang on. We need to assert that over here. You will be a soldier. Then over here, we're just gonna remove this. Oh, that's too much. We're gonna go soldier.soldier type ID. Let's see if this does anything. So we select this, we select the soldier. It should already run at this point. Wait, you're not used. You're not used, so of course you're not running. Alright, let's get back to public log val. And we go console log val. Just the most easy thing we can do to call it. So if there's a soldier signal, what we want to do is log possible perks. Oh, and we need to close that, of course. Parameter val in place. Alright, we'll make it explicit if you want it that badly. Alright, so we click this, and now it gets run. There we go. Okay, so now, next to that, if we change it, I think tankers have a different amount. So it's 28 points perks right now. It changes to 28. Dang it. Not sure if this is working or not. Just copy all of it. Let's get in here, paste it. Pilot's vision icon. What? What, a pilot awareness? No, you're not a pilot. You shouldn't be aware of shit, boy. Alright, let's go back. Let's go remove everything. Go forth. There's 27 of them now. So we're gonna go to a T-gunner. Soldier type ID. Where do we lock that one? Soldier type ID. That's if the soldier signal, public possible perks, this soldier signal. Yes, if you run again. That's really interesting. Also known as really annoying. Oh, shit, no. I want to keep that one. Link signal. This overview for sale, yada yada yada. Alright, so this one, soldier signal should listen to any changes to the soldier. That's what it's for. But the question is, does it do that? Let's remake this so we can actually put some logs in there. Close it off. So we go, if this selected soldier ID is not anywhere else, return all of this. Let's just copy it because I'm lazy. Okay, there we go. We want to return this. Alright. Else, we just want to return an empty array. Alright, hang on, I think I got it. Console log. Alright, so we're just gonna log test in here, but I think I know, because this one only will update if the selected soldier ID updates. But that's not what we want. We want this one to update whenever this one updates. Wait, what? Never? You're gonna be iPerk. Oh shit. Delete it. Put it over there. There you go. You'll always have an iPerk. Soldier. Wait, what? Oh. Hang on. I know it. Else we just return null. And we don't need an else statement for that. We just... whatever. We just go return nil. Oh, I forgot an L. There we go. Alright, because what I suspect is happening, if I click this, we change the select soldier, so this will all trigger. If we do it over here, the same happens. Then, if we change the type of soldier it is, it doesn't get triggered. The configure a tracking expression tracked by identity cause recreation of the entire collection of size 1. Requiring destruction and so yeah, okay. So that's something we need to fix at some point, but we're just gonna ignore it. Expression changed after it has checked. Previous value undefined, current value APC driver, expression, location. Seems like the view has created after it's... Okay, whatever. The bottom line is the ID of the select soldier doesn't change. So this one doesn't change either. Okay. Alright, I think... Therefore I am... Alright, we're gonna go back to ChatGPT. I have an array of signals in Angular. I want to subscribe to the changes of one of them based on another, on the number in another signal. You can use the computer signal to dynamically subscribe to one signal based on the value of another signal. Alright, I'm just using the wrong technique. Active signals, computed this signal array, yada yada, dot value. The selected index might be null, and in that case we want the active signal to be nil as well. Might be null, you handle gracefully your computed signal, right? So we shouldn't be using linked signals for this. So we're just gonna throw all of this away. Oh, that's not enough. There we go. So it should be select a soldier signal. soldier signal equals. I want to make this. Oh shit. Just for expression, I love being expressive in this kind of stuff. So what we're gonna do is this gonna be computed signal because we're computing it on the basis of another signal. So we wanna go selected soldier equals this dot selected soldier ID. Right, you one. We're just gonna go you. I want you to be imported. There we go. Then we go return selected soldier. If you're not nil, we can return this overview facade soldier signal list. Get selected soldier. Oh, we don't need to execute you. You're just a number. Or no. Alright, and now you're probably... Oh, hang on. It's not or. It's colon. And now it's probably complaining here like, hey, this might be... soldier or null or undefined. Alright, but you can be undefined. You will always be a soldier. What's going on here? Type writable signal or undefined. The type soldier may be a mistake. Oh, right. Okay. You shouldn't be linked, you should be computed. Alright, nice. Ads are over. Let's see if we get it working ready. So, theoretically, We change the type and it's still 27. And I am guessing there will be tanker. Yeah, faster reloading tank. Okay. Soldier signal. Alright. Actually, let's just go console log soldier. I want to see what the soldiers you're working with. Or if you even get executed. Because if you don't get executed, there's a problem. Oh, hold on. Perk update. My code editor decided to hang there for no reason at all. But that's fine. Alright, so it gets updated here. And what we would expect to happen is if we change this, it should get updated again. But it doesn't. Exit soldier. Yeah, alright, that's because we don't get back the signal. ID doesn't. Let's see if there's something over here that I screwed up. Signals array. I tried this, but now I get a signal inside of another signal when I just want the signal that's in the array. If the computer is wrapping the signal itself rather than just resolving its value instead of adding that value, you should return the signal directly from the array. Alright, we're talking about this little part. So let's rewrite that. So it should be return index. Sorry, selected soldier equals null. Right, does not equal null. We should actually, why are we saving this? We should this selected soldier ID. If you don't equal nil. If you don't equal nil, we want to select you. We want to go this overview facades, soldier signal list, get selected soldier, soldier ID. Otherwise, it's going to be nil. Alright, and what? Oh, I forgot that this selected soldier ID. And now it's going to complain this is possibly null. So we're going to guarantee it's going to be a number because we checked it earlier. Oh, that's not a good way to close that. That might be. Property ID does not exist on type. Right, but it's still like, return signal for. Let's see how this is done. It's writing effect, active signal change. Okay. Over here it goes computed. This signal arrays. Compute the active signal based on selected index, returning the actual signal. Yeah, but computed still wraps it in another signal. Absolutely right, so always return signal. It sounds running signal inside another signal to get the original signal. You should avoid nesting signals. The key is to use a function that directly returns the signal. Excuse me. Instead of using compute, you can use a function to dynamically return the correct signal. Function to return the active signal dynamically, okay. And how do we call that signal? Effect signal is this. Okay, so instead of yeah, but this should hang on, I'm just gonna copy my incorrect code and let's see if it does it correctly. Because at this point I just don't know. Honestly, it's kind of messy because it's two things. It's a party hat inside a party hat, and that's at least one too many party hats. It shouldn't be in there. Let's go back. It's an app. Components, perk overview, TypeScript part. Honestly, it shouldn't even be here. It shouldn't be here. I think that might be the biggest problem of them all. Oh shit, that's not what we wanted. We just want that one line to be done. Yeah, because there's way too much logic stuffed somewhere where it shouldn't be. So what we're gonna do is open this service. We're just gonna add some functionality here that keeps track of the selected. No. Because the signal is in the other service. Over here. Selected soldier ID. What if? Just as stupid. Public selected soldier signal. This is a linked signal because it's linked to the selected soldier ID, which is possibly null, I think. Yeah, so what we're gonna do is call a new function over here. Why does my IDE keeps freezing? Kind of weird. I couldn't do that before. That's fine. You want to check if this selected soldier ID is not nil. If it is, we're gonna return nil. If it's not, we're gonna go this soldier signal list get selected soldier ID, and we're gonna guarantee it. Wait, just a stupid question. No, redo. Undo, redo. Oh no, I fucked up my undo, redo queue. Public selected signal. Oh wait, I know it. No, I don't know it. Yeah, okay. We need to check if selected soldier ID is not nil. If it is, we're gonna return nil. if it's not, we're gonna go this soldier signal list. Soldier signal list. Get the number that is this selected soldier ID. Property is used before it's man. Because ideally, over here, we'd keep track of a selected soldier. And not only that, constructed you are update squad signal list, update soldier signal list. You are initialized over here, so I don't really see why. Yeah, but okay, hang on. Guess it's gonna be this. Okay, but what we can do? Let's just. Actually, I think we just need to put the line like over here. Literally put it below it. Okay. Yeah, that did seem to work. So then over here we're gonna go your number, guarantee it, and you are gonna be a writable signal having a soldier. Okay. So, it's still complaining, but that's fine because we didn't actually implement our changes over here yet. And what we should do, instead of soldier signal, yeah, okay. Selected soldier ID, soldier signal. Yeah, what we should do, let's go over here. We say soldier signal equals this overview facade selected soldier signal. Alright, what's your problem? Objects possibly null. Why are you... Well, I know you're possibly null, I just don't see how that's an issue. Let's remove this. Oh, that's an issue because we... Okay, gotcha. Can't invoke an object which is possibly nil, okay? Or null. Oh, hang on. Yeah, okay, check. I know what's going on. And I know how to fix it, hopefully. Select soldier signal. This select soldier you should be dead. Yeah, you're either a soldier or no. And otherwise, over here, we go return. We go new writable signal. Oh shit. Writable signal. Sorry, new writable signal. Soldier or null. It's gonna be null. Oh yeah, okay. That's writable sig. Are you just gonna be signal? Can be simply. Okay, sure. Man. Oh no, that's correct because it should be like this. Okay, cultivate an object that's possibly null. Well, you shouldn't possibly be null, right? Right? Oh, over here. If so, oh, but you wait, hold on. You can possibly be null. Selected so. No, there's no way you can be null. You just exist. Accept it. Selected soldier signal. There's a writable signal or no. You can't be null. It is not allowed. Okay. So we change it to our guerrilla, and nothing changes. Dang it! Soldier counts a focal point. You are not possibly null. I don't know why you keep saying this. You're also not a soldier. You're this. I'm confused why it's gaslighting me. Because it's at this point it's just telling untruths. It's just straight up fucking lying. Selected soldier signal should always be a soldier or no. That's what this says. Sorry, it should be a writable signal. Oh, I'm executing it. Gotcha. Yeah, okay. They were absolutely right. I was the idiot. I'm a dumbass. Which was well known, honestly, so not much of a surprise there. Alright, let's see. So we click it. We click it. We click it. Nothing's happening. Oh, that's a good point. Let's see. Console log soldier signal. This dot soldier. I think we don't update this, and I think that might be a problem. Yeah, what? Soldier signal is selected soldier signal. Right map signal, signal, new map number. Selected soldier ID is that one. Alright, hang on, I know this. I know this. Okay, so what we're gonna do is make this a new. We go public selected soldier signal equals your new signal is either gonna be a soldier soldier. No, ID froze again. Yeah, there we go. Soldier or nil. And you're gonna start out as nil. Remove this line. And then over here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna say this dot selected soldier ID subscribe. Oh yeah, okay, that's fair. We need to subscribe to something else. We're gonna listen to our local storage, and whenever we go system state dot get selected soldier ID subscribe. No. Squad, oh shit, no, not squad ID. Get selected soldier ID. Subscribe and selected soldier ID. So this should be either number or no. If you are not null, And else, what we should do is this dot selected soldier signal set nil. So if it doesn't exist, or if there's no soldier selected, we set the soldier signal to nil. So we can make sure there's nothing selected. If one is selected though, we're gonna go this selected soldier signal set this soldier signal list get selected soldier ID. And let's see, you're probably gonna complain like, oh, you could possibly be undefined. Yeah, that's fine. We're guaranteeing you it's not under. Oh, if you're not nil, let's just guarantee it. And this soldier signal list has. So if you are not nil and you are in there, so we know for sure it has to exist. So over here we're gonna tell it it's a signal. Writable signal containing a soldier. Or no. Just gonna force them to accept it. You or no is not assignable to soldier. Oh, right. Not? Writable is not assignable to the argument of type soldier. Okay. Just alright, let's go over here. We're gonna say selected soldier signal equals is soldier. No, hang on. I know it. I know what we need to do. You're gonna be equal to this. Writable signal, soldier or null. Oh, and then at the end we need to add a semicolon, I think. Yeah. Okay, so now over there we have the soldier signal. So instead of this soldier, no, we can just this one's the same. Okay. Reload. Yes. So we click it and nothing happens. Interesting. So we're gonna go console log. There's a change over here, and the change is selected soldier ID. So we click it and it's set to 0, and we click the other one and it's set to 1. Okay. So that is changing. Well, theoretically at least. Then over here, soldier signal equals that. Select the soldier signal. And over here, we should go soldier signal dot head. Oh, I need to make some room for my cat so it can lie down in comfort. Needy little bitch that he is. Get out. That place is reserved. My phone. Okay, so we're clicking this, we're selecting a soldier, and it shows up over there. We're selecting a different soldier. Also, hold on, what? This number should change, right? So if we change this one, oh, it does change. It says 141 instead of 1. But this one also says 141. Huh, that's interesting. So we change and we're gonna go selected soldier ID. Okay. So then we go over here, we select this one again. It says 141, change is 0. That's good. Then we change this one, nothing happens. That's understandable. Then we click over here. It does say change 1. We go over here, it says change 0. Okay, so they do change. But I think the issue, right, let's get this one out of the way. I think the issue is possibly in here, because the hash does not change. Soldier signal, this selected soldier signal. Oh, I know what to do. I know it. Yeah, you're not invocable. That's fine. Selected soldier signal. So you should be linked signal. You should actually be a linked signal. Gonna go. This dot selected soldier ID. Soldier ID. You can be null. So if you're not null, we're gonna go this soldier signal list, get this selected soldier ID. You're gonna be a number, no need to worry about that. Oh, come on IDE, why are you tripping? There you go. You're gonna be just a new writable signal. Soldier or null. And that's gonna be null. Oh, you're just signal. You're not writable signal anything. Signal. There we go. Alright. This is gonna be too long anyway, so we need to make this a bit more digestible. Gonna go start this. If this is not null, we can do this. Else, we do this. So we're gonna return. This is gonna be return. Let's make the same guarantees we did earlier. Selected. Oh, sorry. This soldier signal list is number. This selected soldier ID. You're gonna be returning a writable signal having a soldier or nil. Writable signal only refers to a type. Yeah, okay, sorry, excuse me. We need to put this around here as well. Alright, so, hang on, there's an error over here. Oh yeah, because we're still doing stuff with that. Let's get that out of the way. So now there's gonna be errors over here, which is there's no errors? Oh yeah, you are the right, okay, check, gotcha. So we click this one. Doesn't do anything here. Why don't you do anything? So we change this. Flame Trooper. This one updates. Alright, I am kinda tempted. Because this one, I don't think it's getting called anywhere. Yeah, okay. That would make sense why it's not actually doing anything. Let's remove all of this. There we go, save it. There don't seem to be any errors, which honestly is kind of weird. So if we click it, yeah, it does load the correct perks. Then we change it to an assaulter, and it doesn't reload. It don't reload. Okay, so you don't reload. You don't redo this one. We go soldier signal, selected soldier signal. Due to be computed whenever this one changes. Console log compute. Alright, so you are computed now. Then we change it. And oh, right, also the list doesn't close anymore, so that's a thing. But also doesn't get computed again. Undefined current value, APC driver, expression change location. What the heck? Oh, that's in a drop down. There's some kind of error in there. We're just ignoring that. Alright, we're just gonna be removing, well, these 17 lines for sure. Well, that's one too many, but that's fine. Okay. What if I just copy all of this? What if we just be really stupid, put this all in ChatGPT and just go, hey, this doesn't work. Oh, hang on. Open in Explorer, thank you very much. We want to open it in MPP. I have this code. I would expect the, what's it called? Are you being sad? That's probably the best question I can ask. This is the code. The selected soldier signal. We don't actually schedule. Sexual is a linked signal. Is a linked signal in another service. I would expect that possible perks computation to run whenever the soldier signal changes, but it doesn't seem to. Possible perks is likely this one. Linked signals not working correctly. Linked signals reactive signal. Service change method. Select soldier signal. Returns a new signal each time. Oh, I think that might be it. That's a good point. That's a really good point, because we're just... No, it's not actually. Hang on. Let's see if that works. Console log. soul signal, soul signal trigger. Let's see if that one actually gets changed if we don't change the soldier, or if we do this. Let's just, we click on this, well, it triggers, that's logical. We click it again, doesn't get triggered, and it doesn't get triggered. But that's not it. Like, this one seems to be steady. This gets... Try assessing soldier signal as a direct reference to a signal rather than calling a function. Sure, so assign directly in the constructor. Oh, would we be able to do that? Sure to call the signal, check. Return soldier dead or empty. No, but you're a signal containing a signal. Yeah, that I think that's the main problem. We have like a nesting doll of signals, and we don't want that. That makes it really annoying to keep track of all the signals. Because you're returning a signal of a signal, and this is not what we want. Gosh darn it. Why this fix works? So the signals a linked signal. Like the soldier signal squad list. Alright, let's try it on this one, because I think the main problem is the selected soldier signal is like nesting doll signals. I've been saying so much signals that the word lost all its meaning in my mind. I want to get a method to keep selected soldier signal up to date with the soldier I selected soldier ID out of the state, but now it's a signal inside a signal, and I want to prevent that. Good implementation is wrapping a signal inside a signal, which is not ideal. Yeah. Dynamically return. Yeah, okay. Directly reference the soldier signal. This soldier signal. No, but that what? Alright, this is not the solution, that's for sure. So we need to find a different one. I'm just gonna stupidly copy this. Selected soldier signal equals computed. So we do a computation, and it's gonna be let me just copy this one, copy. Paste it over there. You can go import that. Oh, but alright, but you will be defined. Don't worry about that. You're right. Signal soldier. No. Let's see. We do like this. What's your issue? Oh, yeah, you're absolutely right. I missed that one. Okay. Cannot evoke an object which is possibly null. Oh, it's not. So that's an easy one. Right, these are all those, and then we go over here, and still nothing changes. The question is, let's see, console log, updating soldier signal. Work overview component. Oh, there's something over here. This soldier signal. This shouldn't be null. What do you have? Your soldier or null? No, but your signal. Oh, yeah. Okay, check. Hang on, because this was still on the different thing. Okay. Gotcha. This should fix that. There we go. That's fixed. And then we select this. We go engineer. Engineer. Nope, nothing changes. Gosh, darn it. Okay. Let's start out over here. Console log updating signal. Because on paper it's really easy what needs to happen. It's kind of annoying that in practice it's not. Right, updating signal, nice. So now we change the type. And it doesn't do it again. Is the squad not updated? Can select the soldier ID. Console log. No, it's not. Of course not, because that's not what needs to be changed. Oh. No, but the... Okay, but the soldier signal should be changed. Let's see what's going on over there. Mark for check. Get squad IDs for each. Map set squad list. Get squad ID. This squad. No, that's the squad update. Squad.hash. Soldier list set. Squad signal list set. Squad. But when you want to look at the soldier updates, update squads. Oh, here we go. No, wait, huh? Where's the soldier signal list? Soldier signal list. Are you being updated anywhere? Yeah, over here. Update soldier signal list. There we go. If you don't exist, that's over there. We update it. Else soldier hash is not. Okay. Let's go. Console log. Updating soldier. And then we go this. No, it's just soldier. Just a full soldier that's being updated. That's a new one, right? Yeah, that's a new one. So we change something about the soldier, and then we would expect that. How are you not being updated? What? Like something changes, so I would expect this to be updated. We change the update. Yeah, alright, so you can call it once. Then we change this to a soldier 1. It's getting called twice even. Soldier.hash is not this soldier list. Get soldier hash. Huh. Right, let's go. Console log. Actually, let's test in which one where. I think we should be in here, like console log test. Let's see what's going on with this one. Console? No, console. Updating soldiers, okay, so we change this one to an AT gunner. Alright, it does get over there. So what we possibly want to do is say console log. Current soldier is the new. You're not current, you're new. And then we go console log old, which will be this soldier list get soldier.lay. Because for some reason it doesn't seem to be updated? Question mark? Exclamation mark? So we're gonna change this to a flame trooper. Alright, let's see what's going on in here. The soldier type's already changed? But if the soldier type is changed, okay, it gets updated directly in there. That's fine, honestly. I'm fine with that. What I'm not fine with is the other parts of the application is not listening to that. This soldier signal list gets soldier ID. But the soldier signal list should be updated. Over here, in here. Computed soldier signal, selected soldier signal. Public test equals computed this soldier signal. Oh, sorry. Function console log this soldier signal. Oh, whoops. Yeah, okay, that's fine. We go this one. And then enter over there. We return these. We're gonna dump this one over here. We're just gonna go test. That should be it, right? So if we open this, there should be test over there. There should be a log. Alright, this is soldier. Then we go AT gunner. Nothing changes. Console log any signal change Angular. How to detect? Just want to log it to observable distant user. Right. Will be called when distant user affects on the soldiers. Let's see. Console log this dot soldier signal. Right. Do tell me what's wrong with this. Wait, why are you causing issues? You're just a function I should be able to use, right? As any other signal, you can use effect to track and subscribe to changes that made happen. Do I need to do this inside something else? Test effect equals. Alright, apparently I needed to declare it and then it suddenly was all okay. Beautiful. Okay, so we click here. Do you see any changes happening in this? Alright, so it gets over there. Then we change it and it doesn't trigger. I'm so confused. I don't know why it doesn't trigger. It should. That's like... Soldier signal, overview facade selected. Soldier signal. Yeah. You're computed, right? What if we make it... I'd really love to have like one place for it to... Yeah, I'm working on it. Don't complain. Don't care. Don't you even trip. Alright, I have maybe a different idea that we haven't done yet. Let's see. Alright, these are like the tests. So if let's try this one again. Public soldier signal equals. This one can be removed. You're a new computed. I'm getting kind of sick of computes, but here we are. You're gonna be, let's see, this system service selected soldier ID. Console log this. Return. No, we don't want that. You should be listening to that, yeah, and we wanna. Alright, I just want to log it for now first. We're just gonna go return null. We're gonna just ignore these two. Property test does not exist, that's true. We deleted that. And over here we are basically gonna be commenting out all of this. Oh yeah, this is not how you comment out in HTML. I knew that. I'm only slightly daft. Possible perks, dot filter, this possible perks. Nice, we need to be a little bit janky over here. Well, there we go. You're missing something in my TypeScript line 29. 29. Oh, you are absolutely correct, sir. Right, so let's have our first test. If we click this, it should update. There we go. If we click the other one, it should update. Okay. So then we go. No, this is not gonna work. Oh, it might work. Hang on. So we're gonna go this. No, it should be an effect. I think we need to go back to an effect over here. I still don't know why you are complaining. Effect. For some reason you need the decoration over there. I don't want that. Public soldier signal. No. This is a headache and a half. Effect? No. I wanna go. This overview facade, soldier signal list, get. Yo, Swazzy, why do you always come in? Always. This system service. Selected soldier ID. Poor Swazzy, man. Poor Swazzy. Poor man can't even hear me. Ain't yet. Und jetzt. There. I'm gonna say hi to Swazzy because he keeps coming in during the ads. Selected soldier ID. Yeah, esports back. What? Hello, Swazzy. I don't know how you manage, man. I feel like half the time you're in here, you come in here either during ads or seconds before they start. Not even giving me a time to like postpone them with 5 minutes. Happy St. David's Day? Is it St. David's Day? Oh, apparently. Is there something with St. David? Should I know about them? Because I don't. It's a Welsh Christian prelate who served as the bishop of this. Was the bishop of a woman? I don't think that's very religious. Alright, he apparently served as a bishop of a woman. No, it's a woman. Google tells me it's a woman, so it's a woman. I refuse to believe anything else. I will screenshot it. I will put it in a safe place. That's a safe place. During the 6th century, he's the patron saint of Wales. Okay, that explains why I don't know anything about him. Okay, I honestly keep forgetting that there's like historically named days associated with the name, that kind of stuff. But happy St. David's Day, I guess. I think Ireland is doing better on their PR of holy days. That's not something you can really do anything about. I need to get all of this out here. Copy. Paste. Oh shit! I have done an oopsie. It's fine. It's fine. Here, this and this is going to be no. But hold on. All right. You shouldn't be here. Eh? You should be something completely different. You're gonna be an effect. You're gonna be a writable signal, and it's either gonna be a soldier or nil. Sorry, I null. So over here, it's gonna be an effect. Private effect is that, whatever. Alright, stop complaining, you will be defined. I will make sure of it. We're not gonna be returning. So instead of this, we're gonna say this soldier signal equals that. You're complaining about being possibly nil, ain't you? Yeah, you're possibly nil. You're not gonna be nil, you're gonna be a number. I guarantee it, it's fine. And now this one is gonna complain it's possibly undefined. Am I right or am I right? It do be like that. So I'm gonna be like no. You're gonna be a signal. You're gonna be either a soldier or none. No capitals. And there we go. Yeah, and otherwise we're just gonna go this soldier signal is signal gonna be either a soldier or no, but it's never gonna be a soldier. You're just gonna be none. Alright, so somehow I have to hope this works. I don't know why. Wait, did I just ignore an error? But yeah, how's it going, Swassi? I'm sorry. I've been working on this for, oh god, it's been 3.5 hours and I'm almost there. I'm so close. I hope, I pray. It's not a function. It's not a dang function. Okay, that's fine. We don't care about that. Ty just reached reading week? What does reading week mean? Is it just a week where you have to do a lot of reading, or is it some local tradition that sounds absolutely batshit insane to everyone not born in that tradition? Because that would also be a very European answer. Or UK European, whatever. I know you guys like your independence. Does it work? Does it work? Does it? It probably won't work. Week of no lessons. Intend for soon to catch up on reading stuff for uni. Ooh. Have you been a good boy and done all your reading already, so you don't have to do anything, or are you gonna have to do a lot of reading? Wait, why aren't you doing anything? Bleh. Let's get rid of this. Wait, where's all my beautiful code? Where's my code? I just wrote a lot of code that should be doing stuff. Oh, it's over there. Okay. I mean, it's not doing stuff. That's honestly more of a problem. But we might need. Oh, hang on. I think let's see, 25, 35. That's 11. That's 12 lines. Sure, man. Sure, man. Get that over there. Hang on, let me actually read this. You have like 7 months of reading to do. Oh no, only a couple of pages per day. It's only a couple of pages per... You put your mind to that you can do it in like 3 days, I reckon. I would recommend you start doing that as soon as possible. Because otherwise you'll be utterly disappointed in how you cannot do it in 3 days. Okay, it does something. There's no errors. It says test. That's what we want. Now I need to make this visible again. So you can actually see if the gosh darn remove this. If the perks actually change, if we change the class of a soldier. Okay. To be fair, without revising, you get quite good grades, so you should be. So it should. So really should to really. Hang on. To be fair, without revising, you get quite good grades, so I really should really push. You should not push that, Swazi, because at some point you're gonna have to need to actually do stuff. And then you'll be like, fuck, I can't do stuff. I don't know what to do. Yeah, what's going on here? No, wait, hold on. There's a difference between those two. There should not be a module repair. Gosh darn it. You are not changing. Why are you not changing? Soldier signal is dead, so we should be dead. Writable signal soldier no. We get console log AVs. Oh, push to get a better grade. Okay. I mean, my instinct would be pushing the other way, like pushing your luck. That's not a smart idea, even though it is what I honestly would do, probably. But that's not a smart idea. So, good job on not doing that. All work and no games make a dull boy. I want to get it done. And honestly, I would probably have been playing Enlisted if the update was released by now. But it hasn't. So I'm kind of waiting for that. And after that, I'm probably gonna be playing quite a bit of Enlisted. Also, I've always been a dull boy. What do you mean? Come on, do the thing. Do the thing. The thing is not doing. This soldier signal, selected soldier null, yada yada yada. Oh, sorry, that probably wasn't really pleasant to listen to. Working. Oh my lord, no. Of course it doesn't work because I never changed the perks. I am so smart. This soldier signal dot ID. No, you're gonna be there and you're gonna be a number and you're gonna stop complaining about it. He's waiting for you to re-download it to play games. Wait, what? Did you want to get 9 as minis and paint them, but they're stupid expensive? Well, you're playing Warhammer. Everything is stupid. You're not even playing. You're painting Warhammer. Everything is stupid expensive. Warhammer 401k, right? So is that the default joke nowadays? Hold on, where's my... Oh no, I might have screwed it up even more. Console log Siggy's and it will be this soldier signal. Boom 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 boom. Save it. 9 for 120 quid. I'm gonna get the 9 minis. Wait, the 9 are we talking about the Nazgul? The 9 Nazgul? I mean, and 120 quid, honestly, that's less than I expected, depending on, like, size and details, I guess. Okay, hang on. Soldier type ID. Oh. Oh no, I'm not giving them the ID of the class. I'm giving them the ID of the soldier. So you should be soldier type ID. So we do this. We do this. We change it. It doesn't work. Ah. Man. So what if we just go over here? I'm gonna say effect console log this soldier signal. I just want to see any change that's happening to that. Select it. Select it. Thank you. Wait, are you not? You can get a Nazgul, just the cloaks, for like £30. Better rates from the Hobbit. Better rates from the Hobbit? I do not remember that movie, so I'm wondering what rates you're referring to. There weren't any Nazgul in the Hobbit, right? Even in the movie there weren't any, I think. Remember Dol Guldur? No, I don't. I have seen that movie, and I remember being utterly not impressed with it. Do I need to put these over? Wrong button. Private C equals that. Dol Guldur, the Nazguls are there. I mean, that would be the logical place for them, seeing as it's the Witch King of Angmar at that point that rules it. Or it might even be Sauron? I'm a little bit confused on my lore there. Solar signal is not a function. Okay, that's fair. Now it should be, though. It's not. Are you not? Hang on, let's go. Console log. We don't want to see that. We want to go this system service selected soldier ID. We're just going to call you T2 because it's test number 2. I wish. Yeah, I want to see those first. Yeah, like I said, I don't remember the Hobbit movies like at all. I've seen them, I know that, but I was so unimpressed with them. And generally, I just really disliked them, honestly. So I don't really have any memories of that. Okay, so you're doing stuff. So I do this, and nothing is doing stuff. This soldier signal. Alright, hang on, let's see. What if we go over here, console.log soldier signal, and that's gonna be this soldier signal. Are you being set? This one's going, yeah. I mean, I vaguely remember. I know that was happening at the time because it was mentioned in the book. You're a simp for the Nazgul. What did they do? Hang on. What did they do to the Nazgul in that movie? Nazgul, the Hobbits, Clash of Immortals.
If you try.
Oh right, Galadriel was there and everything. Wait. Go on, show me the damn Nazgul. Those do look cooler than they did in the Yeah, they do look a lot cooler than they did in the original lore things. So, but I think the original are like more lore accurate. So I'm kind of obligated to sim for those. But aesthetically, these are way more pleasing. Okay, so we do this, we do this. Doesn't change. It's really weird. I would expect it to, you know, to change, but it doesn't. It gets set, that's for sure. T2 is 0, yes, soldier signal. That's this one, so that's just a soldier we selected. Then we change it to fighter pilot, and I mean, everything reacts to it. Except the thing we want to react to most. That's what's weirding me out. Because I think even, let's have a look over here. Let's go soldier signal dot hash. Oh, sorry, it should be like this. We need a question mark there. One day when you're rich, you're gonna have every Nazgul model. Oh, that's cool. Just get rich, Swatzy. It's easy. Just make a lot of money and that's all you need. You can do it. Okay, so it's 151, and if we change it, it does change. Like everything updates, except the thing that calculates what perks it needs. I don't get it. I honestly am really confused about this. Okay. Get perk type, perk array, perk type array, trick perk type. Okay. Alright. Alternative suggestion. Per click, per right clicked. Soldier signal is there. So right now, what possible perks is the issue. Like this one should be called whenever that changes. You don't. Ah man, my poor head. This system selects serve ID, soldier signal. And whenever the soldier signal changes, this one should be updated. Except it doesn't. But you do get updated because we're showing it over here. And this one changes. I feel like I'm really close, but honestly the only thing so far is that it's a little bit buggier. Oh boy. Oh boy. Because now we need to click it twice before it actually shows anything. Why are you being so obstinate? This soldier signal is not a function. The perk overview TypeScript line 33. That's over here. Yes, because you get set over here. And it only gets triggered whenever that happens. Okay. Okay, well, we're gonna change this back to a computed one because otherwise it's definitely not gonna work. Public soldier signal. You're gonna be computed. No, but that has own problems. Is there something here that gets triggered like the moment you get loaded in? You there, click this, and nothing over here works. Click it again and it works. Yeah, I'm afraid I'm gonna have to think on this for a while before I can actually work it out, because I do not get it. Yeah, let's turn that back. Save it all. It's such a simple idea, but it just doesn't work, man. It does not be working. Alright, what I think I'm gonna do is just call it quits there for today. We've been doing this for almost 4 hours, and I do feel my brain slipping and sliding away. So, hang on, where's my, there it is, there's my stopping screen. Alright, thanks everybody for being here. Thank you for, well, lurking, chatting, whatever the heck y'all did. I appreciate everybody being here. I will be back again Monday, and I'm really hoping I can get some good work on this. For now, I see Mr. Tasmanian Devil is online, so we're gonna raid him. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you all Monday.